Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Listen. Last class I can explain quadratic equations. Some points are there. What is the equation? How to find out that roots of quadratic equation? What is the formula for roots of quadratic equation? Anyone?
Minus B
B
plus
square minus 4AC.
Minus
Minus B
ah,
plus or minus root B square minus 4AC by 2A.
by 2A.
very good, very good. Here, listen. Already that part I can explain. What is the roots are there? How to find out roots are there? What is the x value is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is the formula. What is the relation between roots? What is alpha plus beta is equal
Alpha plus
to
beta is equals to minus B by A. Alpha into
ver,
beta is equals to C by A.
very good. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Some results also explain in this one. Listen. Here observe nature of roots are there. B square minus 4ac is called a discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Here delta is equal to
B square minus 4AC.
that is equal to b square minus 4ac. When b square minus 4ac greater than 0, what about roots?
Real and
Real
unequal, sir.
and
Real and unequal. Real
Delta
and
greater
unequal.
than 0. Real and unequal. Real and unequal. Here listen.
roots.
Okay. Delta is equal to 0.
Real and equal roots.
Real and equal roots.
Equal roots.
Delta less than 0.
Imaginary roots. Imaginary roots.
The imaginary roots. What is the form of that imaginary roots? What? Alpha plus I beta, alpha minus I beta. Therefore, here listen, roots are imaginary. What is the form of alpha plus I beta and alpha minus I beta? After one more point will be there. Up to this points already explained in last class. Again, continuation listen. Here lesson 1. Therefore, that is roots are listen. If quadratic equation, what is the quadratic equation? Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Listen, first listen. Comma, for all a comma b comma c belongs to q. What is the q mean? Rational numbers. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A, b, c are rational numbers. Every integer also called rational. Every integer also called a rational. When a comma b comma c is belongs to q. Listen, when delta greater than 0 and delta is perfect square. Delta is perfect square. Therefore, what is the meaning of perfect square? Perfect square mean here delta value either 4 or 16 or 25 or 36 or 49, etc. Therefore, delta value either 4, 16, 25, 36, 49, etc. Like delta is a perfect square. Delta is a perfect square. What is the roots are? Roots are rational and distinct. Roots are real. That real roots are rational and distinct. Therefore, here is equal to listen. Delta positive, it's a perfect square. What about roots are? Rational and distinct. Rational and distinct. Same condition. Delta greater than 0. Delta is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. What about roots are? Roots are irrational. Roots are irrational. Real but irrational. What is the roots in the form of? One root is called alpha plus root beta. Another is called alpha minus root beta. Therefore, roots are when delta greater than 0, delta not a perfect square. What about roots are? Irrational and distinct. Distinct mean what is the form of that roots? One root alpha plus root beta mean another root is there, alpha minus root beta. Any doubt? Anyone?
So just my
Again, here is equal to listen 1. If quadratic equation, for example, you can get x value minus 2 plus or minus root 21 divide 3, you can get, for example, here 21 not a perfect square, but 21 is the positive value. 21 is the positive, but 21 not a perfect square. What are the two roots? Here implies x is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus root 21 by 3, one root, another root minus 2 by 3. Here listen, minus 2 by 3 minus root 21 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 minus root 21 by 3. By observation, one value alpha plus root beta form, another value alpha minus root beta. When delta greater than 0, listen, delta greater than 0, again. Ask.
What is the meaning of conjugate?
Conjugate.
Yes, sir.
A conjugate means here is equal to in complex number. In complex number, alpha plus I beta is the one value, that alpha minus I beta is called conjugate of first value. Alpha plus I beta conjugate of alpha minus I beta. That is, you can learn in complex numbers, don't worry. Presently, just remember that point.
Sir,
When
is this first slide?
first slide. Delta greater than 0, listen first. Delta greater than 0, delta not a perfect square. What about roots are? Roots are irrational. Roots are irrational. Irrational, what is the roots in the form of? That is called alpha plus root beta, another one is called alpha minus root beta. That is the form. After yesterday I told that what about roots are when delta 0?
alpha plus I beta.
Delta 0, delta is equal to 0 I
Minus
told.
b by 2a.
Delta is equal to 0. What
Minus
about
b by
roots? No. Roots are real and
It's a real and
equal.
equal.
Roots are real and equal. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. When delta less than 0,
Roots
when
are
delta no, delta less than 0, roots are
Not
imaginary.
real and imaginary.
Roots are imaginary.
Real and
I
equal roots.
told that roots are
Sir,
imaginary.
sir, a plus root alpha, alpha plus root beta, alpha minus root beta. Can you give one example with a sum?
I can give that example. Wait some time. Here is equal to alpha plus I beta one root mean alpha minus I beta another root. Just listen that one example. I told that example will be there. Listen. That is one equation I can take. What is that equation will be there? X, that is observe. X square plus 4x plus 1 here is equal to plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. How to find out roots of quadratic equation? X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus. What is the 4 square? 4 square is called as 16 minus 4 all divide 2. That is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 12 divide 2 is there. That is equal to, here observe, minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 whole divide 2. Here what you get? Minus 2 plus or minus root 3. Therefore, what are x values? One x value minus 2 plus root 3, another x value minus 2 minus root 3. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, when roots are real, that means discriminate greater than 0, discriminate greater than 0, discriminate not a perfect square, discriminate not a perfect square. Therefore, roots are irrational. Irrational in the form of one is called alpha plus root beta mean, another one is called alpha minus root beta.
So once can you
Any
show up one?
wait. Any doubt about these 4 points?
No, sir.
Okay, listen. Note down this one. Note down.
0.
That 4 points very important based on quadratic equation. How to find out what about roots? Rational, irrational or equal or imaginary. How to calculate it? This is the conditions. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this one, generally quadratic equation given, roots. Roots are alpha comma beta. In the form of roots alpha beta, how to written quadratic in terms of alpha comma beta? In terms of alpha comma beta. Here listen. That is,
Yes, sir.
here listen. Generally, quadratic equation roots are, here is equal to, one is alpha, another one is called a beta. How to written quadratic equation? In the form of alpha and beta. Listen one. Here roots mean that is called x values. X is equal to alpha or x is equal to beta. X is equal to alpha or x is equal to beta. Therefore, x minus alpha is equal to 0 or x minus beta is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus alpha 0 or x minus beta 0. That means x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. When two roots are given, how to find quadratic equation? That is form of x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. You can multiply. Here x square minus x beta minus x alpha alpha plus alpha into beta. Therefore, here x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Therefore, quadratic equation when roots are alpha comma beta, when roots are alpha comma beta, what is the equation is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Also written this is x square minus x into sum of the roots plus product of the roots. X square minus x into sum of the roots plus product of the roots. Therefore, this is the form of that quadratic equation when roots are given. How to find? This is the form. By observation this one. Suppose if sum is equal to 5, product is equal to, product is 6. What is the quadratic equation? Anyone?
X square minus 5x plus 6.
Very good. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. What is the roots of this equation?
5.
Here listen. How to find? One method will be there in this type of question. One method. What is that method will be there? That method is, listen one. One of them last class I told that formula. What is the formula? How to find x value?
Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a.
2a. Another method factorization. Be concentrate. Listen one. Here what is the x square quotient? Quotient of x square 1. Here 1 is there. What is the constant quotient, constant value? 6. With the signs you can take. That means 1 into 6 you can multiply, getting that 6. But you can get that positive only. You can get positive. What is the factors of 6?
3 and 2.
What is the factor of 6? 1 and 6 or 3 and 2. which two value sum, listen, which two value sum is equal to 5?
3 and
2 and 3. Therefore, I return x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, equation can be written that how to find out roots are there. First one and the last one. First and the last you can see quotient of x square and constant. Both multiply, getting some number. You can return that factors. You can return factors. That factors some value. In middle, what is the value given? 5. Therefore,
Sir, 2 and 3.
very good. That is there. X is equal to 2 and 3. That implies x common x minus 3 minus 2 common x minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the x value? 3. X value 2.
2.
Understood
Therefore,
this
two roots are
one?
3 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roots are 3 and 2. This is called a factorization method. Another one is formula based. Any one method you can do that for solving quadratic equation. Last class I can given one question. Do you remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here first to note down that alpha beta roots of equation either this one or this one. First note down. When roots are alpha beta, then quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Also, x square minus x into sum of the roots plus product of the roots.
It's completed. Find out the quadratic
Completed.
equation and roots, sir.
What again?
This formula to find out the quadratic equation.
Find out quadratic equation when roots are, you know it. Roots are knows how to find quadratic equation. This is the formula. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, this is the question I can given. This is the question here I can given. Listen. Root 3x square plus 10x root 3.
X is equal to minus 4 root 3. Plus 2 by root 3.
Okay. This is equal to equation will be there. What is the quotient of x square?
Root
What
3.
is the quotient? Root 3. What is the constant value? Minus 8
Minus
root
8 root
3. Therefore,
Minus-
root 3 into minus 8 root 3.
Minus 8.
What you get? Root
Minus
into root 3 is equal to 3. 3/8 is equal to 24.
Minus 24.
Minus 24,
Minus 24.
you can return that factors that the two value sum must be equal to year 10. What are
12
factors of?
12 minus
Very
2.
good. Therefore,
12 minus 2.
here root to 3x square plus 12x minus 2x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0.
0.
Therefore, here root 3x is the common. Remaining x will be there. 12 can be written. 4 root
3.
good. 4 root 3. Here minus 2 common. X plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, Here
X plus
observe,
3.
root 3x minus 2.
X plus 4.
Here root 3x minus 2 into what is that value, x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. What is the x value? X value is called 2 by root 3 comma minus 4 root 3. This is their finding that how to find roots. Roots of quadratic equation. One method is called a formula. Another method is called a factorization. Maximum you can learn that factorization. If factorization not possible, then only go for that formula. Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Ask.
No, sir.
Okay. Note down. Who are incomplete? Note down.
Equal.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Okay. Listen. Here one more point will be there. There are two small points. I can explain to the 2 points. Listen. Here lesson 1. That is quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First point, when a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then roots are 1 comma c by a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then roots are 1 comma c by a. Roots are 1 comma c by a. Second point, when a minus b plus c is equal to 0, a minus b plus c is equal to 0, then roots are minus 1 comma minus c by a. 2 points, very important, using that so many times. Ax square plus bx plus c 0. If a plus b plus c, that means sum of quotients, x square quotient a, x quotient b, constantum c, a plus b plus c 0, then roots are 1 comma c by a minus b plus c is equal to 0, then roots are minus 1 comma minus c by a. This is the 2 points can be using in questions. You can solve this one. Note down. The 2 conditions are satisfied. This is the roots are 1 comma c by a. Second one is called minus 1 comma minus c by a. Completed? Are you completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One small question. Listen. A minus B into x square plus B minus C into x plus C minus A is equal to 0. What is the roots of this equation? A minus B into x square plus B minus C into x plus C minus A
comma
is
C by A,
equal to 0.
1 comma C
What
by A.
are roots of this
C by A.
equation? 1 comma?
C minus B by A, B by A.
1 comma C.
No. One root is the correct. 1 is the one root. 1 comma.
C by
But C in place of what is the value will be there?
A.
C in place of what is the value will be there?
Yes.
C minus A. That is equal to C minus
A minus B.
Divide. What is
minus
the
B.
A in place of value? A minus B. Therefore, in this type of equation, how to find out that roots are there? By observation. By observation, immediately you can set what is the roots are there. 1 comma C minus A by A minus B. One more one. A. Listen. A into B minus C into x square plus B into C minus A into x plus C into A minus B is equal to 0. What are roots of this equation?
The 1 comma
1.
C into
what?
A minus B by A into B minus A.
Very good. C into A minus B
B by
divide A into B minus C. Therefore, what is the quadratic equation is given. Observe what are roots are there. Roots are when sum of quotients is equal to 0. 1 comma C by A. What is the C in place of value? C into A minus B by A into B minus C.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand these 2 points?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, one more question I give. Okay. Okay. Solve this one. Everyone can be solve this one.
Sir, can you show
Find nature of roots of equation 4x square minus 20x plus 25 is equal to 0. 4x square minus 20x plus 25 0. What about nature of roots?
Real and equal.
Find out.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
First
These
to find out. Don't leave that class. You can stay back up to class ending. If network issue is there, again reconnect. Find out discriminant.
Real and equal, sir.
Real and equal. Here delta is equal to b square 400 minus 4, a value 4, here c value 25. You can
400,
get
400
400 minus 400. You can get 0. Delta equal to 0 mean what is the roots are? Real and equal. Very good. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Here show that this equation has no real root. First to find out discriminant of equation. One more small question, do it. Two x square minus 6x plus 7. Find out discriminant. I want to the discriminant value.
Minus
Minus
20.
20.
Minus
20.
Yes.
minus 20. Different answers.
Imaginary root.
Delta b square is equal to 36 minus 4 into to a into c, that is equal to 36 minus
minus 20.
56 minus 20 less than 0.
Imaginary root.
Discriminant less than 0, imaginary roots. Imaginary mean no real root. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you show before one? For this, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Here show that roots of equation are real. Listen. What is the quadratic is the given? X minus a into x minus b minus h square is equal to 0. That is the equation. Therefore, observe x square minus bx minus ax plus ab minus h square is equal to 0. What is equation? X square minus of a plus b into x plus ab minus h square is equal to 0 will be there. But roots are mentioned. What about roots? Real, unequal, real, equal or imaginary? How to decide it? Discriminant. What is the discriminant? B square, that is called a plus b whole square minus 4. A value 1. What is the c value? ab minus h square. Any doubt up to this one?
No, sir.
That is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab plus 4h
Plus
square. Anyone knows that formula for a plus b whole square minus 4ab?
A minus B also.
Sir, a minus b whole square.
Very good. That is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Perfect square. What is the 0 square value?
0.
0. 1 square value?
4,
1.
1,
2 square value?
9,
4,
4. 3 square value?
9.
Like this one, whatever square of that number always more than 0. Therefore, this is always greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Greater than 0 mean roots are real and unequal. Is equal to 0 mean real and
Real and equal.
equal. That implies here roots are real. Roots are real.
Sir, once finish the
Understood?
previous slide.
1 minute. First copied this one. I can show me previously.
Yes, sir, complete.
Completed this one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sir, previous.
Thank you for my
Sir, this previous. Sir, this previous.
Okay.
Sir, this one previous. Okay, sir, thank you.
Completed
Yes,
this
sir.
one.
Yes, sir.
Next. Solve this one. In that quadratic equation has equal roots. What is the meaning
Discriminant
of
equal to
equal
0.
roots?
Is equal to 0.
0.
Discriminant is equal to 0. Here x square minus 2mx. Next one plus 8m minus 15 is equal to 0. Find out discriminant. Discriminant is equal to 0. 4m square minus 4. A value 1. C value 8m minus 15 is equal to 0. Entire 4 common. Here m
M square
square
minus 1.
minus 8m plus 15 is equal to 0.
3 and 5, sir.
Very good.
Minus 3, minus 4.
Minus here you can do that. M square minus 5m minus 3m plus 15 is equal to 0. M into m minus 5 minus 3 into m minus 5 is equal to 0.
Plus 3 plus 5.
Very good. M minus 3 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. What is the m value? 3, m value 5. What are values of m is 3 comma 5. When discriminant is equal to 0 mean roots are equal. Roots are equal. Roots equal is the given. That's why discriminant 0. Find out m value. Everyone maintain that notes. I can ask that tomorrow onwards in between that class. You must
Okay,
show me when video on.
Completed.
Completed? Okay. Write down next one. Alpha, beta are roots of quadratic equation. Find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. These all questions are easy questions whether you remember that formula or not. That's why I can explain to the questions. Nothing will be there. Just you know that, remember that
Minus
all
BB.
formulas are not. Alpha, beta, roots of equation. What is the alpha
by A.
plus
C
beta?
by A.
Very good. Minus b by a. Alpha into beta.
C by S.
Therefore c by a. What is asking? Alpha cube plus beta cube. What is the formula for?
Alpha minus beta.
Into alpha plus beta.
Very good. Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Just substitute above value and take LCM. Substitute above value and take LCM. Do it. What is the answer? No problem, slowly solve. Improve your skills for calculation.
Sir, minus
Ah.
B cube plus 3x by A cube.
Very good. What is our name?
Somasakit.
Very good, very good. Here that is equal to minus b cube by a cube. 3 into what is that value? C by a. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. That is LCM is equal to a cube minus b cube, negative of negative positive, 1a multiply 3abc minus b cube plus 3abc divide a cube. All are getting same answer or not? Check
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
One more similar question you can solve. Alpha, beta are roots of equation. Same equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find the value of alpha power 4. Find the value of alpha power 4 beta power 7 plus alpha power 7 beta power 4. What is the common of both terms?
4, 7.
Therefore, what is the common? Alpha power 4, beta power 4 common. What you get?
Alpha plus beta
Alpha, here is
cube
there
minus 3
alpha
alpha
cube
beta
plus
alpha plus
beta cube. How to find alpha cube plus beta cube?
alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta.
Same. Here alpha beta whole power 4, that is called C by A whole power 4 into what is this value? Minus B by A whole cube minus 3 into C by A into minus B by A. You can simplify.
Sir, completed.
Completed?
No, sir.
Okay, do it, no problem.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you can get? C power 4 into minus B cube plus 3ABC all divide A power 7. Very good. A power 7. Like a simplification will be there. Be careful to solve that question. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last class I given one more question also. Today I can give that some more question. Note down that questions. Note down. P comma Q R. Take a screenshot or note down question. P comma Q R. Roots of x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Then p value and q value.
Yes, sir.
P value and q value. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Write down.
Sir, once can, sir, previous slide, please.
Okay.
Sir,
Ah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
this answer what, sir? P and Q.
First you can solve. Tomorrow class I can explain once again. Don't worry. Equation whose roots are 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. 1 root 1 by 3 plus root 2. Another one 1 by 3 minus root 2. This is the roots of
Plus
equation.
product of roots.
Find out quadratic equation. Do you remember before I can explain that property?
X square minus x into sum of roots
Roots.
plus
Ah,
product of roots.
product of roots. Very good. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next. The real roots of equation. Real roots of equation. 7 power log x square minus 4x plus 5 base 7 is equal to x minus 1. Base same. What is this total value?
X square minus 4x plus 5.
Very
Then
good.
x is equals to x square minus 4x plus 6.
Then you can solve that equation. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one more. Last one. Note down. The equation
Sir, 2 into e to the power 2 log k by 1 is equals to 31.
wait. Kx plus 2 into e power 2 log k minus 1 is equal to 0.
Product of roots is equals to c by a.
Wait. Here one small point, just a hint I can given. Lesson 1. E power 2 into log k, that is equal to e power log k square.
Yes, sir.
But in mathematics, listen everyone, in mathematics, logarithm base not given. Logarithm base not given. Always base e.
Log e. Yes, sir. K square.
Base not given, always base e. What is this value is called? K square.
K square. Yes, sir.
Equation as product of roots is 31. Then for what value of k?
K square minus 1 is equals to 31.
Okay. 2k square. 2 will be there.
Yes, sir. 2 k square.
Yes, sir.
Find out k value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Solve these 4 questions. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Tomorrow.
once can you show 20 seconds slide?
Here you can solve that 4 questions. I can explain
slide
again that what?
Next
Before slide.
No, sir. This next.
This is tomorrow I can explain. This
Okay,
one,
sir,
next
thank you.
one. Here, this is the model of questions once again solved. Tomorrow, some more logical questions based on that alpha and beta. Based on what is the sum of the roots, what is the product of the roots.
Okay, sir.
Based on some logical questions. What are logic, how
Bye,
to
sir.
apply, how to identify, I can explain to tomorrow class. Okay?
Okay, sir.